You actually just now helped me realize that the poor or middle class spend their money like the poor or middle class, but they also save it the way that poor and middle class people save it. They do not use it the way that the financially wealthy use it.
Well, and this is why I love talking about financial literacy, because this, even though I've been doing this for 15 years, this just finally clicked for me about 2-3 years ago.
Okay.
Because my mom has always been a saver. She still is. She grew up clipping coupons and putting them in stores. So she instilled that frugality in both me and my brother. So it took a long time for me to kind of figure this out, is that after I get past a certain point in savings, like an emergency fund,
yeah,
I need to invest the rest.
Okay.
Because that's how
Right.
I build wealth. Because if you let it sit there, taxes and inflation are going to kill your investment, or you're just going to end up spending it. That's what a lot of people do too. They just end up spending it. And again, I'm not saying on even frivolous stuff. Car breaks down, dog or kid needs medical care, they go to emergency room, life happens. But if you don't invest the money that you do have, and again, I'm not saying necessarily in stocks or something financial, invest in yourself, read books, take courses, learn skills, that kind of stuff. Invest it some way, and that's how the rich get rich. Or another way the rich get richer is because they always are constantly investing their money. They're multiplying their money constantly.
Is that also how you get to a point where you don't care what the minimum wage is because you're beyond that anyway?